This video explains how to configure and use the arc welding function in the Welding Expert. First, click on the Welding Expert menu item under Application to enter the functional interface. Click on Arc Welding under Weldment Shape to enter the straight welding guidance interface. On the basis that all the basic robot settings have been configured, we can generate a welding teaching program through 2 simple steps. Step 1. Calibrate the start point, start safety point, arc transition point, end point, and end safety point. After moving the robot's end effector to the desired position, click the corresponding point button to record. Step 2. Name the program and open the program in the teaching interface. Switch to automatic mode and enable endpoint trajectory display. Click to run the program. The robot can be seen first arriving at the starting safety point, then returning to the ending safety point after completing the arc welding task. The above is the basic operation for configuring and using the arc welding function in the Welding Expert. Thank you for watching.